and welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DSCX returned to positive territory today and gained by 31 points or 0.44% and settled at 6,949 points. Market turnover was 8.88 billion taka, which is a decrease of 2.31% compared to the previous trading day. British American Tobacco Bangladesh and Aman Feed from the food and allied sector, Square, Ranata, Beximco Pharmaceuticals and Marico Bangladesh from the pharmaceutical sector, and Beximco, Walton, Berger Paints and GPH Spark from the industrial sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the food and allied sector registered the highest gain of 1.54%, while the textile sector posted the second highest gain of 1.53%. On the other hand, the cement sector registered the highest loss of 1.91%. 6 industrial companies and 4 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Crown Cement, Dragon Sweater and the Mitch Textiles registered the highest gain, while Queen South Textile, Haqqani Pulp and Prime Finance First Mutual Fund were the top losers. Investors may have exerted buying pressure on Crown Cement stock as the company has changed its official name and DSC ticker from MI Cement to Crown Cement. Both Queen South Textile and Prime Finance First Mutual Fund fell in value due to dividend adjustment as they resumed trading today after their record date. There was no price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Apex Spinning and Knitting, Dragon Sweater and Bangladesh Welding Electrodes increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Apex Spinning and Knitting increased in volume even though it responded to a query from DSC that there is no undisclosed price-sensitive information behind its recent price and volume hike. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news: the Prime Minister of Bangladesh endorsed both time and cost extension of some major projects and asked to determine ways to reduce subsidies gradually in several sectors, especially in the power and gas sector. Agricultural subsidies will, however, remain the same. A total of 10 projects were endorsed by the Executive Committee of the National Economic Council, which will cost around 88.04 billion taka. In order to ensure availability of the 5G network all over the country, a 10.59 billion taka project has also been approved. Bangladesh's exporters are concerned that their trade with their major export destinations may be hampered due to a probable war between Russia and Ukraine. This war may also create global shipping problems as well as affect development projects in Bangladesh supported by Russia. Bangladesh had exported around $17.46 billion to European countries in fiscal year 2020 to 2021, out of which $16 billion belonged to the apparel sector. In addition, exports to Russia were $665.32 million. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow Alert Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.